The SWIPESMITH 3500 electric power washer boasts an impressive 3500 Max PSI pressure, powered by a low energy consumption and high-efficiency copper core motor, making it ideal for cleaning a variety of surfaces around the home. It includes a set of 4 quick-connect metal spray nozzles and a foam cannon, allowing for versatile cleaning options ranging from sidewalk gaps to large car windows. The power washer is designed with 3 safety features: a copper core motor with overheating protection, a total stop system with a safety lock, and a power cord equipped with a GFCI plug to avoid electricity leaks. The washer is equipped with a comprehensive storage system, including a sturdy hose reel, spray gun rack, power cord hook, foam cannon holder, and nozzle holder, keeping all accessories neatly organized. The SWIPESMITH electric pressure washer is designed for portability, featuring a 20-feet hose and a 35-feet power cord, and can take water from both a tap and a bucket, making it highly adaptable for different cleaning environments. The manufacturer offers professional customer service and support, underlining their commitment to a high-quality product and customer experience.